Hey everybody, I just wanted to bring you just a quick message today. I am super excited that we are going to be hosting an in-person event in Atlanta in November, actually November 7th, to talk about Leadership PQ. Now you might be asking, what is Leadership PQ? We know IQ. You wouldn't be listening to this message if you didn't have some of that. We talk a lot about EQ, which is that emotional intelligence that's so important in today's workplace. But the missing link, the one that I think separates low functioning organizations and high functioning organizations, is this idea of PQ. PQ to us is process intelligence. And so we believe high functioning leaders recognize they got to have IQ, they got to have EQ, but they also have to have PQ. If you're wondering what PQ is all about, attend our workshop in Atlanta, November 7th, because it's not just going to be me sharing this message. I am super excited that we've got two practitioners coming to the event, Impossible Foods and Alcon, two of the world's leading organizations, and they're going to talk to the group about how they've combined IQ, EQ, and PQ to create that high functioning organization. I hope to see you there.